it like this. You could spend $900 on random stuff that's gone in a week. Or you could invest that $900 in something that keeps paying you back. That's exactly what I did. I took $900 and bought an interactive program that came with full business setup, a website that is mine, products that's already high in demand, and every time I make a sale, I keep 100% of the profit. That one-time $900 turned into an income that keeps regenerating enough to pay for things like my mother-in-law's and brother-in-law's plane ticket to come visit us here in New Zealand. I'm Brenda, a mom of a really busy 7-year-old boy who got tired of working 8 to 5 and still never had enough. So I learned how to use the online space to build an income from my phone. And now I'm showing you it is possible too. If you want to know how this works and get my Freedom Formula blueprint that explains